Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we dive deep into the world of products to help you make decisions smoother than a freshly steam-mopped floor. Today, we're tackling the battle of the steam mops. On my left, we have the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop, and on my right, the Shark S7001 Mop. Are you ready to find out which mop is the true cleaning champion? Let's get steamy. First up, let's talk about the price. The S5003D Genius is priced at a tidy $129. Reviewers appreciate the investment for its cleaning capabilities. Meanwhile, the S7001's price is a bit of a mystery, but it's often noted for its efficiency at a competitive price point. So, in the price department, while the S5003D takes the win for its clear listing, the S7001 might surprise you on sale. Next, let's dive into the water tank capacity. The S5003D boasts a 220 milliliter water tank, which is praised for allowing longer cleaning sessions without frequent refills. On the other hand, the S7001 seems to leave some users guessing about its water capacity, leading to frustrations in larger cleaning sessions. So, S5003D wins here for its practicality. Now, let's talk about steam control. The S5003D features a 3-setting intelligent steam control, allowing for tailored cleaning based on the mess. Reviewers love this feature for its versatility. In contrast, the S7001 lacks this level of control, often leaving users unsure of how much steam to use. So, S5003D wins again with its smart technology. Let's discuss dirt grip pads. The S5003D comes with double-sided dirt grip washable pads, which users rave about for their effectiveness and ease of cleaning. The S7001, however, has pads that are noted for their efficiency, but also for struggling to stick after a few months. Thus, S5003D takes the lead with its superior pad design. Finally, let's talk technology. The S5003D has Steam Blaster technology and touch-free pad removal, which reviewers celebrate for its innovation and ease. In contrast, the S7001 is described as lacking advanced features, which can make it feel outdated. So, S5003D takes this round too, with its modern tech. Overall, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is highly praised for its effectiveness, ease of use, and thoughtful features that cater to various cleaning needs. Reviewers consistently highlight its ability to tackle tough stains and its user-friendly design. Meanwhile, the Shark S7001 Mop receives commendations for its efficiency and lightweight design, but it also faces criticism regarding durability and pad adherence over time. Both products have their strengths, but the S5003D seems to edge out with more positive feedback overall. So there you have it, folks. The Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop has won today's battle with its price, water capacity, steam control, the dirt grip pads, and technology. The S7001, while charming in its own right, might just need a little more polish, like your floors after using the S5003D. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next product showdown. Until next time, keep buying smart and keep those floors sparkling clean. Product links are in the description.